Fiancé of former NYPD officer Michael Valva back on the stand today as she was cross-examined in her murder trial.
Alina Paulina is charged in the death of 8-year-old Thomas Valva, who died after being forced to spend the night in a garage.
All right, Fox 5's Jody Goldberg was inside the courtroom today and has more from Riverhead.
At her murder trial on Wednesday, Paulina admitted she thought her then-fiancé Michael Velva, who's now convicted of murder and serving 25 years to life upstate, made the garage where two of his sons, both on the autism spectrum, slept too comfortable. 8-year-old Thomas Valva died of hypothermia back in 2020.
Anything you heard in there from her is what you heard.
During cross-examination, Pollina told the prosecutor she was unaware of the frigid temperature outside, admitted she was evil, and agreed to banish Thomas and his brother to the garage for months leading up to his death.
I want to stay in the play.
Pollina's attorney, Matt Toohey, claimed it was Michael Valva who caused Thomas to die when he hosed him off from the spigot and then placed him in a warm bath. He argued Pollina, who got blankets and a heater for Thomas, didn't think he was in immediate danger until his eyes closed and he stopped answering.
I want to focus on what happened the day of the tragedy. So certainly there's some background that's being focused on right now, but what she said stands, and I'm not going to comment on that.
Pollina admitted to deleting footage of the incident after the fact. She also owned up to being the sole disciplinarian when Velva, an ex-NYPD officer, worked the overnight shift. Prosecutors believe text messages sent by Pollina saying, quote, "I'd never allow him to open the garage door," further proved Thomas had no choice but to freeze, and she did nothing on the morning he died to save his life.
And look, she's under pressure, so I guess she's doing her best.
Former federal prosecutor Katie Cherkasky believes Pollina taking the stand is a long shot, but the only chance she has to get off on the murder charge.
She has to concede to some of her past misconduct and differentiate why, even though those things may have happened, this is not her responsibility in terms of the death.
Closing arguments will be later this week, and then the verdict will be in the hands of the jury. Pollina, found guilty, faces 25 years to life in prison. In Riverhead, Long Island, Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.